Yeah, son, we're gonna eat some laping tonight. Oh, look at that. Look at the transformation. Oh shit.
Hi guys, Sangmalula Tashile, Sawadee ka. So today my husband decided that he would like to try and make laping, and I've never had laping before, so I think this is a good time for me to try it first time. We did look up at a few videos on how to make laping, so yeah, let's see how it turns out.
Yeah, the THAILAND digit Tsering kare laping thanda bud ceremony ra ine kare YouTube kala de tutorial do na kachi stai ani lel hado go roast ra thangbo de di cornstarch de tuna mix ye ani chuju chicks do de shao de jela fresh na la thangmo cha ni khande cha do taw ra tari ya bu cha gar sam de yesa ba ni la wa this year de magic do this year. Okay, the instruction kare ra su la na ra cornstarch the laga chicken chicken how much right? You try to. Nothing na. This is sticky enough, Ash. I think it's too much water. But that's fine. I can salvage it. This is what I call, you know, improvisation.
Okay.
Improvise, okay? Regular flour dough, tomatoes. So ani di khare di YouTube ta dira achala jik dura ming chamba jeda ine megi di khare di dilus turmeric taste lus ra chenda ta jeda and di khare turmeric taste lu dina hande ta. Okay. Oh shit, that's a lot. This show this show the go dra the go the nige okay that should the chow dra the dinang lola dilu ya shidi la pinga ji chudi yora the video the gon ta de de khare de injim ji dilu ya samara khare the khare flour shema dilu ya samara cornstarch lapsha de dige sare so chu khema de na lo dilu.
That's a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna eat laping for days. I need this all this year. To down there, they took charge about it. She's so now. Yeah, it's getting clumpy.
Is it clumpy now? Oh yeah.
Yeah, son, we're gonna eat some laping tonight. Oh, look at that. Look at the transformation. Oh shit.
Wow.
Damn.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
I think you have to lower the heat now before it burns.
As I like sungu drua, the tutu in this mix that, starch that.
Better make it good.
So dinner. Then download this look. Alright. So,
do we let it cool first or do we just put it straight into the fridge?
I can probably put it in the fridge. That's fine. Okay, so oil did not this low. Num curry go menu how much? The oil like the dish. I think this should be good enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just lightly. Same thing with the onions.
You can have like heat fire. Grease fire. Okay, so now you're putting in bay leaves.
Yeah. I think two should be good enough. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe another boom. Kind of like smash them. I think that should be good enough. This is now. Smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tari, the chili. Chili mi kola shora insert tari.
Yeah, better be good.
Smells pretty legit, dude. Okay, siben de dusta diro. Tima shimbudu, toa shimbudu. Ine di kare chili ga jinzo da flakes nzo chimbudu. Ani kare kana dudu da kamatsa and toa na le diwa dinya samba. Di kare spices and some feel chigre samuda. So what is it on the blender now? This lue, this labla do this. There we go. Okay, it's better.
Chili sauce done.
Okay, that's the chicken roll do is our page. Then you did don't already for laping the chicken. Can you chat it out? The consistency is still not the way I like it. So most siben taste mo mo sa.
Yeah, no, that's more than.
Delicious. Black soy sauce. Sesame oil. Good.
Yeah.
Sesame seeds does this low rogan there. A little bit of salt. Spring onions. 2. I think that's good. Soy sauce this low, regular soy sauce. Okay, this is yours.
All right then, moment of truth.
Yep, ding ye gaji ready. Mizinala, laping so tama tambo imba. So hopefully it came out good.
Yeah, so I just mix it, right?
So yeah, just to give you a heads up, like when I first tried laping, it felt very bland. You know, like when you bite into the actual laping, it's like biting into like a, I don't know, like a jello with like no flavor.
Yeah, it does look like jello.
Yeah, the flavor comes from everything you add.
I see.
In the thing. So the chili, the green onions, and everything else. All right, make sure you stir well.
Yeah.
All right.
Just so you know, guys, this is my very first time trying laping, and yeah, I'm just intrigued to see what it tastes like.
I'm disappointed. I'm not happy. Right? It's like biting into like a mashed potato.
I'm trying to find a word to describe it. I actually was expecting it to taste more bland, but actually I think you got all the you know, the stuff, the seasoning on top of it, pretty balanced out. So it's actually not bad at all, babe. I think it's like the vinegar and you know, the chili that really helps it.
The chili came out really good. So
Yeah.
when you eat, you have to have that little bit of juice to go with it. You can't just eat it by itself.
Yeah, thank you for cooking for me the very first time on this channel, and of course I'm pretty sure like a few of our viewers were already inquiring about you cooking more.
Tamanyo try to do it definitely. Na tukpa do the flour the. So this is the main thing, right? So I think you have to make sure that you get the right stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think you mixed with the other flour too.
Yeah, because tama tamanyo kare the mix it with the. This lapsa do chasa chu mountain. Yes, but lapsa chata is something the chamber. Regular there flour. This mixing, but this in the do chamina some. You know what? I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make some with the other.
Yeah, the pink.
Yeah.
Show the camera. This is pink.
Pink zumba. Pink side
You made it on the side just in case you didn't like the
I
pink.
think the side chick made came out better though.
the side chick.
Here, take a
Yeah,
take a
let
bite
me
of
try.
this.
So you just put the same sauce over for Michelle?
Yeah. This is better?
Yeah, I think this is
So I told
better. It's not the sauce is good. It's just like the actual laping itself. Yeah. So you can redeem yourself next time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so while he finishes off his second
Always seems to be the case. I'm like always eating.
I would like to say a huge thank you for all of you tuning into today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little journey of Mr. Tsering trying to make laping for the very first time. Anyway, do let us know in the comment section down below any of the tips and recommendations you can offer to Mr. Tsering here on how he can improve on his laping. I am sure there will be a lot. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for tuning in and watching us. We really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing us on all of our videos. And as always, have a wonderful day and we'll see you in the next video.
Sawadee krab. Delek.
Tashi, Thujeche. Peace. What was that?
Yeah.
Bye.
Pumrakun mak mak.